Hello, everyone. Today I will be talking about AI and what that means in Sweden. My name is Luke Phillips, and we will go ahead and get started. So we have the table of contents here, talking about what AI is, who is using the AI, why are they using the AI, where are they using the AI, when are they using the AI, how AI can help with SDG goals, and then at the very end of the PowerPoint, there is two truths and one lie regarding what you have to determine whether you think the three comments are going to be true, and then you have to find which one will be a lie. Let's keep going. So what is AI? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the theory development of computer systems that are able to carry out activities that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, design making, and language translation. So for Sweden, they are a very popular location that has been very effective in having good and useful AI. As stated here, Sweden has a national center for applied artificial intelligence. Who is using AI? AI is being used by Swedish companies like Tesla, Netflix, Amazon, and Twitter to improve their websites, goods, and subscription services. That's when you usually call one of those places. The first person you'll talk to is an automated voice. That is the AI working for them so that they don't have to do everything themselves. Why are they using AI? These businesses use AI to improve the goods, services they offer. Netflix in Sweden uses information about their clicks, viewer habits, so that they know what type of shows and movies to give you for recommendations. AI even goes so far to predict how much business believes you'll enjoy a particular show or movie, like I just said, meaning you're going to see stuff that you're going to particularly be drawn to because of their AI service. AI is utilized by Swedish businesses like Tesla to analyze the world surrounding its cars and direct them to drive themselves. This includes, but is not limited to, speeding up and slowing down, stopping at signs, yielding to oncoming traffic, and averting collisions. This is something that they have been very persistent about at Tesla. That just shows more AI taking over, being able to drive your car for you almost. Twitter AI employs algorithms to determine which tweets you will likely find interesting. On Amazon shopping websites, AI analyzes data to create suggestions for products you might wish to buy. Where are they using AI? AI is being used on the internet by Amazon and Netflix through monthly subscriptions, streaming services, either on a mobile device or through a Roku. You can talk through the Roku and you can determine and pick a place that you want to go almost instantly. Both Twitter and Tesla use AI in their fully automatic cars, like we talked about on the last slide. It's a very useful thing that they have, so they don't have to have as many employees, especially for the customer service aspect of it. So when do they use AI? Every time a Netflix show or a movie debuts, every time you use the app, AI is working. Unless the social media network collapses, Twitter uses AI constantly. Tesla does the same thing with cars, like we've been talking about. While users log on to Amazon websites, same thing with Netflix, they're feeding them recommended products that they might wish to buy. AI in assisting progressing SDG goals. Decent work and economic growth is one that AI is increasing. Work that is not under these conditions is risky, time-consuming, and costly. They have very proactive systems that utilize all of these resources. Industry innovation and infrastructure, AI can help the manufacturing sector become more productive and develop sophisticated distribution networks. For the peace, justice, and strong intuitions, AI can detect and stop fraud, corruptions, and extortion. This is a very important one. Saves a lot of problems in that aspect. Good health and well-being. AI can assist in making selections in healthcare, For example, collaborating with radiologists to develop strategies for leveraging AI to discover brain activity and brain cancers. So this is the last slide. The AI has a lot of very specific facts to it. So let's see if you can come up with what's the false statement here. AI in Sweden partnered with over 100 representing companies and research divisions. Sweden AI comes in first for the readiness and is still #1 today. And then AI in Sweden did not begin until 2019. All right. Well, I very much appreciate your time and have a good rest of your day.